Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to enable or disable coupon section in WooCommerce dashboard. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. On left side you see WooCommerce, and then you see multiple options, but you don't see coupon section. Now click on setting. So we are going to enable or disable. So currently disable. Now we are in general tab. Scroll down. Now you see option enable coupons. So check this option, enable the use of coupon code, and then click on save changes. Now setting has been saved. On left side you see coupon section in WooCommerce. If you don't see coupon section in WooCommerce, then scroll down. On left side you see marketing, and then in marketing you see coupon. So in this way you can enable or disable coupon section in WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.